All right, so we're gonna do number one on the side, line here, comb over. How much should we take off the top, buddy? Not much, huh?
I don't know.
You don't know. But we're gonna keep nice comb over style, right? Like this. Okay, so we'll take a little bit and put some texture in it. You got pretty thick hair. Okay. Yeah, I have to be careful right here. See how it's cowlick? See that? So we have to be careful that we don't cut this short. Right, this really we have to kind of leave long. Otherwise he's gonna have a problem here. So this here goes this way, this comes here, this goes back this way. So it's really it's important that you address this before you start cutting. All right. Ready? Mm-hmm. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna remove the bulk and create a foundation for our style. So for you guys that are watching, quick reminder, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Soon we are doing a lot more education. We're going to start doing the colors. And we are adding all types of services to our menu. So for more education, subscribe to our channel and follow us. And then we'll have educational classes, seminars and stuff like that on Patreon and on my website. mcbarber.com is my website, so make sure to check in. The MC Barber is my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. So really 2021 we hope to be the year of education. A lot more education than we did this year. So because of the shape of his head, right, he's got nice square shape here, we can go pretty high to the line. You see, and we still have a square shape, you see, even though we went high up here. Mm-hmm. So that was our first step, removing the bulk. Now he doesn't want to go too short inside, he wants number one. So now we're going to start with one. And this is going to create our guideline, you know, for our fade. So our fade starts from 1 in this case. A really simple fading. This is fading made simple. Literally 3 steps. So our first step was removing the bulk. Our second step is striking the guideline, starting our fade. In this case, our fade is number 1. And all I have to do is remove this line. So now our third step is now to remove this line between 1 and 1.5. I'm going to start with 1 open here and just work on this line here. Okay, so when it stops cutting, I'll start closing. Fully close. And my paper is really not cutting much anymore, so that tells me I'm gonna have to change the guard there. And we do the same thing, half close and fully close. Now that my 1 is not cutting anymore, I have my blade open here with a half, and I'm gonna try cutting. When I feel that my clipper is not cutting anymore, I'm gonna start closing slightly. Alright, let's look in the mirror how it looks. It looks pretty good. Look down. Good. Okay. And now we're just gonna shape up. But here I'm gonna do like a slight taper.
MC, can you please, back me up here?
Yes, me, Mergim, stop it.
Huh?
Stop it.
Alright.
Leave Rebecca alone.
Oh. Come on.
That guy is from your home country.
Well, why is Rebecca trying to add you on Facebook, Megan?
Huh?
Why is she sending you a friend request on Facebook?
To see what's up with you.
With me, but we're not friends, we're coworkers.
You gotta erase that part.
No erasing. Look down, buddy.
Huh?
You're right, you're no.
Text him.
Text. And my old co-worker, he never got offended.
Alright, so now that we did that. Good.
Oh my goodness, Tiago.
We got red, we got pink. No pink, right?
No, he is a 4-year-old Harry, that's his boy. It's only for the boys. Right, Tiago? Only for the boys.
I bought it. I looked at it. The way it came in. It was nice.
Oh, he talks?
No, never.
So we're gonna connect here, says over comb. Look down, buddy.
Good job, dude.
How we're doing it?
I'm going to let his mom handle that one, not me.
Hopefully we don't get in trouble.
You are so handsome. Is it right here? Say thank you.
This part.
You're such a good boy. You ready? This is yes, that one.
Ready? All set?
There you go, yeah.
Alright.
Say bye. So we'll see you next time.
Alright, take care.
Thank you. He's not gonna talk while he's in here. What's wrong? Oh, you want lollipop? So you promised me a lollipop.
Of course.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
We'll probably be wrong.
Look how, buddy. Get out. Alright, let's put a little clay and style this.
You know what you
Stop for a sec.
Why?
Post come.
Yeah. What is it?
I got it.
Alright buddy, here we go. Quick recap. Ready? So we did 1.5, then we did 1. Let's clean him around the ears. So then we did 1, taper the neckline, taper the sideburns and neckline. We watched for his cowlick here, so we didn't cut it short, so it doesn't stick up. And here you are. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is MC. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.